Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the latest and greatest products on the market.
Today, we're diving into the world of aviation with what can only be described as the best paper glider plane out there, the POWERUP 4.0 Smartphone RC-Controlled Paper Airplane Kit.
This innovative kit takes the humble paper airplane to new heights, quite literally. With smartphone-controlled capabilities, autopilot functionality, and a gyro stabilizer, it's not your average paper plane.
Let's dive into what makes the POWERUP 4.0 stand out from the crowd.
First off, let's talk about piloted flight.
Imagine folding a simple sheet of paper and transforming it into a high-flying, acrobatic marvel.
That's exactly what the POWERUP 4.0 offers. With its Bluetooth module and autopilot control, you can experience the thrill of flying countless paper, foam,
and even balsa wood airplane models right from your smartphone.
But what really sets the POWERUP 4.0 apart is its incredible stability. Thanks to its onboard computer, this paper plane can perform loops, barrel rolls, and hammerheads with ease.
Plus, with a built-in launch assist and wind stabilizer, even imperfect weather won't ground your flights. Now, let's talk about convenience.
With a quick 30-minute charge, you'll get a solid 10 minutes of flight time, with a range of up to 230 feet. That means less time waiting on the tarmac and more time soaring through the skies. Simply connect the included micro USB cable to a charging port, and you're ready for your next airborne adventure.
And for all the budding engineers and scientists out there, the POWERUP 4.0 is STEM-ready.
Dive into the aerodynamic forces that make flight possible, experiment with various wing configurations, and learn firsthand about lift, drag, thrust, and gravity.
It's the perfect blend of fun and education for outdoor exploration or family bonding. Of course, durability is key when it comes to any flying toy, and the POWERUP 4.0 doesn't disappoint. With its near-indestructible heavy-duty carbon fiber body, reinforced nose, and motor mount, this paper plane can handle bumps, bangs, and even unexpected crashes. Plus, if your plane ever flies out of range, the onboard computer will safely land it for you.
So there you have it, folks. The POWERUP 4.0 Smartphone RC-Controlled Paper Airplane Kit, the best paper glider plane on the market.
Whether you're a hobbyist, a pilot, or just someone who loves a good adventure,
this kit is sure to take your paper airplane game to new heights.
Thanks for watching Product Critique, and happy flying!